Hi guys. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at the solution concentrations volume by volume percent. Now, what does that mean? It is a method of measuring the concentration, that is the amount of the solute that is present in the solution, and that relates to the volume. The units of the volumes are milliliters and liters. Generally, milliliters are used in the laboratories. So the volume of the solute over the volume of the solution. So keep this in mind that when we talk about solution, we look at the volume of the solute plus the volume of the solvent, and that's going to make the volume of the solution times 100%. Okay, so let us say one example here. We have a bottle that contains 59 milliliter solution of lemon extract, and that lemon extract contains 49 milliliters of alcohol. So what is the volume by volume percent of alcohol in the solution? So obviously, alcohol is going to be the solute. Alcohol is the solute, and then you are given the complete solution, which is 59 milliliters. So in this case, you don't need to add because you're already given the solution. So the volume by volume percent is equal to the volume of the solute, which is the volume of alcohol in this case. So volume of alcohol over the volume of volume of the lemon extract. Okay, lemon extract solution, and that is times 100%. So now we are going to write the volume of the solution, volume of alcohol. Volume of alcohol is 49 milliliters, and the volume of the extract solution is 59 milliliters, and this is times 100. So this gives you the volume by volume percent is equal to 83%. So 83% volume by volume alcohol is present in the extract, alcohol in the solution, in the extract solution. Okay, so this is the very simple way you do this calculations. Okay, now let's look at how we can use this further. So let us say, for example, you have a 12%, let us say, let's use a different pen. Let us say you are given you have a 12% volume by volume, okay, ethanol solution. Now ethanol is alcohol, ethanol solution, alcohol dissolved in water or something. So that is the ethanol solution. Now, sorry about that, let me write this cleanly, ethanol solution. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that 12 milliliters of ethanol, that's ethyl alcohol, is present in 100 milliliters of, is present in 100 milliliters of 100 milliliters of ethanol solution. Okay, so this also means, if we can write the conversion factor, this means 12 milliliters of ethanol over 100 milliliters of solution, 100 milliliters of solution. These are the conversion factors. So the same equality, that is 12, you can also write this down as 12 milliliters is equal to 12 milliliters of ethanol is equal to 100 milliliters of solution. So you can write this equality, and then above I'm writing are these two conversion factors, 100 milliliters of the solution over 12 milliliters of ethanol. Okay, so these are the two conversion factors from the equality and how it is, and you can just use this information to convert it into equalities, to the conversion factors, and to find the unknown. Okay, so I hope this was easy, and thank you for watching.